So it's time for an EDC video. I said a while back that I was going to do them every week, but I was going to do one last week, but we had a bit of a family emergency. I actually thought my dad was going to die, but thankfully he hasn't, just the way I found him. But he's in hospital at the minute. It looks like he's going to be in hospital for another week, but he's a lot better now. But anyway, I want this to be an EDC video. I'll get into the hospital thing in another video maybe. But yeah, never been so scared. Genuinely thought I was going to lose my dad, but yeah. So as far as the EDC video goes, I'll start off with Tanigui. It's traditional Japanese, kind of like a cross between a bandana and a shmag, or shimag, however you say it. But yeah, don't know anybody else who carries those outside of Japan, so that's unique to me for now. A flashlight. I've got a Nightcore HC33. Awesome light. Forgot how long I've had this for now. Must be coming up to about 2 years. Maybe it's a little longer. But awesome light, highly recommend it. Pen. Remember the name of it this time, it's a Hindra Investigator in stainless steel. Made in USA. It's okay. I actually prefer the Maxpedition Spicata over it, but I don't really care about this pen if I lose it or break it or whatever. I'm not going to break it, it's solid milled stainless steel, but the pocket clip is really loose. Very easy to lose, so I don't care if I lose this. Not really something I care about. Phone. Got the Huawei P Smart. I've had it since 2019. Awesome phone. Hasn't let us down yet. Watch. Got the G-Shock Gravity Master, the new one. Already forgot the model. It's the GA 1000. No, 1100. I think they just come out this year. So far, really like it. Multi-tool. Gerber MP600. Can't beat it. And my knife. Change into Nagaho Higo no Kami Kanekoma. With a blue paper steel blade. Been lying around for a while, so I thought I'd just start carrying it. So that's my knife. And my wallet. Got a Trivax Contour Awesome wallet. Took a very long time before I started liking it. I hated this wallet for a long time, but I actually like this wallet now. I still think the Travax Element is a much better wallet. In fact, that's one of my favourite wallets. But yeah, do like that. Nothing wrong with the Dango A10. Just wanted to carry the Travax. So for the keychain, I got a bike lock, because I got a new bike lock, not a bike lock. Key for the bike lock, because I got a new bike lock. Got the Leatherman Squirt PS4. Uncle Bill's Leather Grippers. Phoenix NW20 whistle. Still got the Oolite i3E EOS and a Kubitan, and that's the keys. Also got a Allen key for the Peak Design camera thing. So for bags, work bag is still a Czechoslovakian M60, I think it is, in canvas. Got the cheapo straps that came with the cheap Chinese tactical bag, and a hero clip, which has been awesome. So inside that bag, I just got a basic first aid kit. Got some TP, high-vis vest, safety glasses, some work gloves, and some RAF issue Gore-Tex pants, and that's a waterproof jacket. And that's it for this week's EDC. I'm not doing photography or fishing or anything for now. When I'm not at work, I'm going to the hospital to see my dad, and that's it. Though with my dad getting a lot better, I think he's coming home in 2 weeks, so I'm feeling more better, less strain, or I feel I feel better, so I feel like I can do things now a little more. So tomorrow is Sunday. I might go and do some fishing before I go and see my dad, or I might do a little bit of street photography, I don't know. I feel more relaxed is what I mean, so I can do a little more. But yeah, for now, just got the work bag, just focusing more on seeing my dad until he gets out of hospital. So that's my EDC for this week. See what it's like next week. Some things might change, don't know yet. But thanks for watching.